Technology and Management, Gurgaon. Student, today's topic is the case study of an embedded system for a smart card. So, talking about the smart card, the smartphone is one of the most used embedded system today. It is used for credit, debit, card, e-wallet card, identification card, or medical card for history and diagnosis detail, and card for a number of new innovative applications. Basically, embedded hardware components, and that is microcontroller or ASIP, RAM for temporary variable and stack, OTP, ROM for application code, and RTS code for scheduling the task. Flash for storing user data, user address, user identification code, card number, and expiry date. Timer and interrupt controller, a carrier frequency generating circuit, and ASK modular. Interfacing circuit for the iOS, and charge pump for delivering power to the antenna, and transmission for the system circuit. Embedded software component, boost up initialization and OS program, smart card secure file system, connection establishment and termination, communication with the host, cryptography algo, host identification, card identification, and saving addition parameters or a recent new data sent by the host. Basically, when we are talking about the embedded system केस स्टडी फॉर अ स्मार्ट कार्ड, ये मैंने एक छोटा सा टॉपिक लिया है बुक से जो कि मुझे अच्छा मिल रहा था. दैट इज इंट्रोड्यूस दैट अ स्मार्ट कार्ड सिस्टम हार्डवेयर एंड अ सॉफ्टवेयर. Now the requirement is that assume a contactless smart card for a bank transaction. Let it not be a magnetic. And earlier जो कार्ड हमारे यूज होते थे that is a magnetic strip to hold non-volatile memory, and nowadays EPROM or a flash that can be used to hold non-volatile application data. Requirement of a smart card communication system with a host can be understood through a requirement table. Task, this is the diagram. This is for the task card communication, that is task reset, task read port, task PW, and task application. When we are talking about the task card communication, a cycle of the action and a card host synchronization in the card leads us to the model task card communication for the system card select system communicate to host for identify host and authenticating itself to the host, that is ISR port 1, ISR 2 port input output, ISR 3 port input output are interfaces to the task. The task app, the task PW, and the task read port and the reset task are the object of task app, task PW, task read port, and task reset respectively, and the classes are extend of abstract classes task card communication. Now, what is the requirement of a smart card communication system with the host? The purpose: enabling authentication and verification of the card and card holder by the host, and enabling GUI. GUI is a graphic user interface at host machine to interact with the card holder user for the requirement transaction. System functioning: the card insert at host machine, the radiations from the host activate a charge pump at card, and the charge pump power the SOC circuit, which consisting of card processor, memory, timer, interrupt handler, and port input output. On power up, the system reset signals reset task to start. The task reset send the messages request header, and the request start for waiting task read port. The task app that runs required API, and the request Apple close message closes the application. Inputs, the received header and a message at input output, import input output from host to the antenna. Signals, events, and notification. On power up, the radiation powered charge pump supply of the card, a single signal to start the system boot program at reset task. user PW verification message through port input output from the host. Card application close request app close message to the input output port, and the output transmitted header and messages at port input output through antenna. Design matrices, power source and dissipation, radiation power, contactless operation, code size generated should be optimum, and the card system memory needs should not exceed 64 KB memory. Less use of data type, multi-directional array, long 64-bit integer. फाइल सिस्टम में 3 लेयर्ड फाइल है. For the data, one is a master file, and to store all the files, header has a string for file status, access condition, and file clock, and the second file is in the dedicated file to hold a file grouping, and header to immediate success elementary files of the group. Microcontroller hardware generate distinct code physical address for the program, and derive logical address protected one's writable memory space. नाउ परफॉर्मेंस हो गई, प्रोसेस डेडलाइंस हो गई, यूजर इंटरफेस हो गया, इंजीनियरिंग कॉस्ट हो गई, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट हो गई. Performance is less than 1 second for transferring control from the core to host machine. Test on different host machine versions for fail proof card host communication. So smart card hardware components are like, this is my hardware and software architecture, in which you have a microcontroller chip, trans receivers and charge pump, VCC, CPU, RAM and port input output, trans receivers and the flash memory ROM to surface antenna and from host machine antenna. And this is my D0 to D7, A0 to A15 data bus and address line, VCC for power supply. List of the task and the function and IPCs. Reset task, initiate system timer ticks, create task, send initial message and suspend itself. IPC pending none, and IPC postage is that RIG reset and message queue start. So task read port, wait for the task reset, suspension, sends the queue message and the receive the message, start the application and seeks closer permission for the closing application. And the task PW ending having the sends request for password on verification of host when SAM PW is equals to 1. Task app when SAM PW is equals to 1 runs the application program. Signal reset message queue start. This is my the string or a system or a host input, string or a system or a host output. Task and the synchronization model, reset task, task read port, task PW, task application. So this is my SAM reset request header, request start, request password, and SAM applications, request application, message queue application time, and the message queue application close. This is the request application close. This is my task and synchronization मॉडल. ये आपको इस तरीके से ही फ्लो डायग्राम बनाना है, और आपको यहाँ से लिस्ट ऑफ टास्क और फंक्शंस एंड आईपीसीज आपको लेनी है, बाकी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं है इस फिल्म में. और ये आपको स्मार्ट कार्ड हार्डवेयर का आर्किटेक्चर मिल जाएगा यहाँ से, और यहाँ से आप रिक्वायरमेंट देख सकते हैं स्मार्ट कार्ड कम्युनिकेशन की विद होस्ट. So up to this video, this is an embedded system for a smart card. That is a small topic for a 5 to 7 marks case study of the embedded system for a smart card. Okay, so student, I am completing your syllabus in this video. This is the last video for your syllabus. So up to this video, I am covering all the syllabus. So if फिर भी any कोई doubt है आपको तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. Thank you, student. Thank you so much.